Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into top personal finance tips of 2024. From inflation to ethical investing, we have got you covered. Let's get started. Segment 1. Debt management. During these heavy or fluctuating interest rate period, managing debt is essential. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt first and consider consolidating loans to lower interest rates. Segment 2. Economic uncertainty. Economic uncertainty calls for a solid financial plan. Stay informed, diversify your investments, and prepare for various economic scenarios. Segment 3. Ethical investing. Ethical investing is on the rise. Choose investments that align with your values, focusing on environmental, social, and governance (ESG) criteria. Segment 4. Financial stress. Financial stress affects many of us. Develop a budget, build an emergency fund, and seek professional advice to ease financial anxiety. Segment 5. Inflation. Inflation continues to be a hot topic. As prices rise, the value of your money decreases. To combat inflation, diversify your investments and reduce unnecessary expenses. Segment 6. Interest rates. Interest rates are fluctuating. Higher rates mean higher loan costs but better returns on savings. Keep an eye on rates and adjust your financial strategy accordingly. Segment 7. Market volatility. Market volatility can be stressful. Instead of reacting impulsively, consult with a financial advisor and focus on long-term goals. Segment 8. Recession. Recessions can be daunting. It's crucial to have an emergency fund and avoid panic selling during economic downturns. Understanding recession dynamics can help you stay financially stable. Segment 9. Retirement savings. Saving for retirement remains a priority. Maximize contributions to retirement accounts and regularly review your retirement plan to ensure it aligns with your goals. By staying informed and proactive, you can navigate these uncertain times. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more financial tips.